Hi, this is Steve from Allinonewinepump. We're here today to show how to install our new stainless steel filter adapters, quick connects. In the past, we've always had these barb connectors, and they have a tendency of possibly pulling some air either through the barbs itself from wearing over time or through the threads. So we're going to show the proper installation. We're just going to cut our line off. Take our pliers, grab hold of them, loosen them up, take them out, and discharge them. These are our new ones. They come with thread sealant already. So all we do is we start them by hand. Take our wrench, which is a 3/4 inch. We're going to tighten it ever so little bit, just so it's a little snug on it. It doesn't have to go real tight. Okay, same with this. All of a sudden you'll feel it. So get a little tight and just push a little bit more on it. That's it. We don't need to gorilla it. So now we have our hose. Our hose literally just pushes in, and that's it. It's automatically seals that easy. In order to remove it, all we do is we push on this connector and pull it out. I'll show you again. In order to do it, we just push in the hose, and we'll get a great seal. In order to remove it, all we do is grab our fingers and push on the black lip and pull the hose out. I really hope that this helps. Enjoy.